The way in which I collaborate at work is really realizing that everything is related to business. Just working with our partners, whether vendors or customers, to make sure that we come up with the win-win solution for everybody. One of the things that I learned through my program at the GSM is that really, at the end of the day, you get paid for only two things: solving a problem or adding some real value. So working with our customers, my job as a leader is making sure that we're ultimately coming up with a solution that really ultimately solves the customer's problem. As a technologist and marketing strategist for Intel Corporation, is really helping to lead the company in a way to move from a PC-centric world into more of a data-centric world. So with that specifically, I'm responsible for enabling sensor technology that drives autonomous vehicles, connected cities, wearable devices, even that exists within drones. The challenge that we have is how do you comb through all that data to tell you something useful or something that's actionable at a business level? So for me, what's important is looking at some of the new technologies around artificial intelligence and things like that that's actually going to go through that data, and machine learning as well, to go through that data and actually tell you something that's really useful. The one that stands out probably the most is Mark Lowe. And the thing that I liked about his class is that he had a lot of real-world business experience from running a startup of his own. And I've also been able to, since I've graduated, to call him up from time to time whenever I've had questions about technology or particular things, and he would give me his insight as well. Looking ahead to some of the future trends in technology, whether it's artificial intelligence, just understanding where the market's going, and then also taking a step back and looking at what are some of the opportunities that are going to present themselves in those spaces, and then position themselves through networking and through collaboration with other people within those industries to actually look at ways in which they can use those technologies to solve real problems.